Barcelona is one of the most visited cities in the world, and yeah, it shows. That's why I wasn't totally sold on the idea of visiting the famous Montserrat Monastery, especially not on a sunny Sunday morning. But we went anyway, and surprise, surprise, we spent over an hour stuck in a traffic jam halfway up the mountain.
You enjoying the traffic, Danny boy?
Well, since we're stuck in traffic anyways, let me show you what happened at the bottom of the mountain in Barcelona. Welcome to Sant Antoni. No crowds, no rush, just locals and good vibes. Since we were in the neighborhood, we stopped by Mercado de Sant Antoni. It's a reminder that there's a real everyday Barcelona that you rarely see in travel videos.
So we're the kind of guys that cannot walk 1K without stopping for a beer, especially here in Barcelona, and especially in this neighborhood called Sant Antoni, which is very much a bohemian neighborhood. There's lots of bars and restaurants all over the place. Cheers. Salud. So we're just going for a leisurely Saturday walk around Sant Antoni. There's also a famous market called Mercado de Sant Antoni, which you might want to check out if you don't want to visit the super touristy Mercado de la Boqueria, which is where all the tourists go.
Next, we wandered through El Raval, a neighborhood that's as raw as it is artistic. It's still a little rough around the edges sometimes, but that's what gives it its authentic edge. This is the real Barcelona.
We have already walked another kilometer, so we have earned ourselves another beer. We passed through the Mercado, which was still open, so we were able to see some things. And now estamos de tapeo, as Luigi is telling me. Vamos de tapeo or estamos?
Vamos de tapeo.
Vamos de tapeo. So we're having some chicken strips and meatballs, and it's all looking pretty good. And yeah, let's dig in.
As dusk fell, the city lit up literally. Every February, Barcelona transforms with Loom BCN, a 3-day light art festival in the Poble Nou neighborhood. There are innovative installations that blend art and tech and turn the city into a dynamic playground of colors and shapes. After a weekend exploring Barcelona's hidden corners, we finally made it to the Montserrat Monastery after all of that traffic.
This has got to be one of the most beautiful little squares I've been in, just surrounded by all these beautiful rocks. It wasn't easy to get here because it is quite a windy road. I'm a bit hungover, but seems like it was worth it because this place is absolutely beautiful. There's tons of things to do here, lots of museums and cable cars and all this sorts of stuff.
Luckily, the monastery was every bit as stunning as I'd imagined. On our way back down from the monastery, we veered off to a charming little village where we got a genuine taste of authentic Spanish cuisine. So next time you're in Barcelona, hit the road for a random village and treat yourself to one of the best meals of your life. At the end of the day, at least I can say I saw both sides of Barcelona, and it's in the contrast that this city really comes alive. If you enjoyed this glimpse of Barcelona, there's a lot more to see. I've been exploring other corners of Spain like Madrid, Valencia, and beyond. So click on my Spain playlist and I'll see you right over there in 3, 2, 1.